If protein shakes actually worked, you wouldn't still be hungry, same calories, same macros, and it keeps happening. Most people assume that's willpower or discipline or that they need a different brand. They don't. On paper, protein from food and protein from a shake look identical, same grams, same amino acids, same calorie count, so it feels logical to expect the same response. But the body doesn't work off labels. This isn't about carbs. It isn't about bad ingredients. And it's not because protein is the problem. The difference comes down to how fast protein enters the system. Whole protein slows things down. You chew it. You digest it. It moves through the gut gradually. Protein shakes skip most of that process. I'd say they empty from the stomach quickly and deliver amino acids to the bloodstream in a short burst. Same protein, different signal. Most protein shakes are made from protein isolates. That processing removes the structure that normally slows digestion. What's left is protein that arrives fast, and from the body's point of view, speed matters. When protein arrives quickly, the body releases insulin, switches on muscle-building signals, and temporarily dials down fat burning. That happens even when carbs are very low. It's normal physiology. Just not the outcome most people are aiming for, but there's another layer most people miss. Many protein shakes also contain ingredients that can push insulin even higher. Sugar alcohols, artificial sweeteners, gums, and flavoring agents. They're added to make the shake taste better, but metabolically they're not neutral. In some people, they trigger extra insulin. In others, they interfere with appetite signals. And over time, they can make metabolism feel sluggish. None of this shows up on a macro tracker. The label looks clean. The numbers look right, but the body is reacting to the combination. And this is the bigger issue. The whole point of eating keto or eating clean is to eat real food, whole foods, nutrient-dense foods, foods that come with vitamins, minerals, and structure. When you replace those foods with a protein shake, you're not just changing digestion speed, you're losing the nutrients. And the goodness of real food, protein shakes aren't bad. They're built for speed and convenience. They make sense in specific situations. They're just not designed to replace food. Different goals, different tools. Once you understand this, a lot of confusion around protein shakes disappears. If you want to understand how food actually behaves in the body, not just what the label says, follow here. This is the layer most advice never explains.